Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the series of seminar videos on Germanische Heilkunde by Dr. Ryke Dirk Hamer, MD. My name is Helmut Pilhar. I am the father of Olivia, and the lecturer appointed by Dr. Hamer for Germanische Heilkunde theory. This seminar video is about the first biological law of nature, also called the Iron Rule of Cancer, IRC. The Iron Rule of Cancer describes the monocausal cause of diseases. The cause of those diseases that arise by themselves. Cancer, allergy, chronic conditions and psychosis is monocausal, the biological conflict shock, the Dirk Hamer Syndrome, or also called the DHS. The DHS is the linchpin in Germanische Heilkunde. It is about biological conflicts, and not about psychological problems. The difference is clarified. The first biological law of nature is considered generally accepted. The objective is to learn to understand what is meant by a biological conflict. You will learn more about this in the approximately 2-hour seminar video.